What's good? Easy shit today. We're going to put just olive oil and Montreal steak seasoning. Get it everywhere. Boom. That's it. We lazy. That's it. We're stuffing the squid with some garlic, red onions, tomatoes, and a little bit of ginger. You could put more, but we don't really fuck with ginger here. A little bit of MSG, pepper, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, some liquid seasoning, mixy mix. Here's the squid, and then we're just gonna put some goodness in there. Don't cut it all the way through. All right. Start with the steak first. Fake butter. I got called out one time for calling this butter. Garlic. Now it's time for the squid. Pepper. Beautiful. Oh, it got my foot. We got that nice little char, AKA I burnt it. Gonna add all the rest of the juices. Oh, yes. There's the squid. There's the steak. Fire. Let's try the steak first. Oof. In the sauce. Let's try the squid. Let's try it with just the onions and tomatoes without the sauce. That's pretty good. Now with the sauce. Oh my God, that sauce just makes it so good. I'm so happy. Bye!